friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making spinach balls. Before making this recipe, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For this easy recipe, we need eggs, spinach, stuffing mix, butter, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and black pepper. So this is 10 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, and I defrosted it before making the video. So let's start by cracking 3 eggs in a bowl. And let's whisk the eggs. And now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So here's spinach. So it was 10 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, defrosted. 2 cups of stuffing mix. 4 tablespoons of butter melted. I just melted it before making the video. Just melt it in a microwave, that's the easiest. 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And now let's mix everything until combined. So now everything is combined, and also if the breadcrumbs are dry, they don't mix so easily, but once you get everything mixed together, once they become moist from the eggs, they really will combine with the rest of the ingredients. So at this point, let's make the balls. So just take it with a spoon and roll into balls. Perfect. So now the spinach balls are ready for baking, so let's put them in the oven. So we just put them in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake until they're cooked through. spinach balls have been baking for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're ready. Let's take them out of the oven. They look amazing. And it's so easy to make. This is a perfect, easy appetizer. So let's just have them cool down for 5 minutes and I'll try them. Now the spinach balls cool down a little bit. Let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love spinach balls. Look how good they look. They're perfectly cooked. Let's try it. Delicious. They taste amazing. Even people who don't like spinach love those spinach balls. They make a great appetizer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!